put it in Garnett's car?
It might be.
Go and have a look. Go and have a look. What would you... I want to tell you if it's in there. And I'll just empty that whole cupboard. Dorothy! Dorothy, what are you doing? What time do you have to go UTC around? About 12?
Yeah.
Come back! Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll find it when we come back then. Here's what time. I'm sure we'll find it.
Yeah, but worst, like I said, worst comes to worst, you just said...
You've lost your passport. It's because your mother's lost it. Well, the last minute jitters, isn't it? Isn't it, Issy? I heard. Yeah, but you...
I scared you, they did that this morning.
Come on then. Let's go get these results.
Are we going to piece car in my car?
Whichever. You, if it's only large, if it's... But Issy is thinking I want one. So what do you think you've got done, Issy?
I don't know.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
You shouldn't be, you worked hard, so hopefully, inshallah.
You revised more than Muhammad, so you should have done well.
I think he's more worried about English. If he gets above 6, blessing says she's coming every week to eat roti on the days she used to come.
I think, what's this?
Why? Saying I'm about she's not going to like my cooking.
No, I don't think I'll get 6 or higher in English.
Where did that come
You
from?
might surprise yourself. Dad bought it on Nervous boy? It's alright. No, as you said, it doesn't define anything, these results. Look at Muhammad, he's still
Floating.
floating, constantly doing his thing.
Say to us, yeah, like when you before you go to an interview, the first thing they're going to see is a piece of paper that your results are on.
Yeah, right.
And
That's a whole lot of
Blessing saying the complete opposite.
Yeah, exactly. She really doesn't know anything. Look, last night's food. No jump.
That's probably half of what it is for intervals. Mum, do you reckon you need more fibre? That's why you struggle with the toilet.
Probably. You know when I don't go for days as well? I feel like I'm going to be sick. That's too many people. I can't get sick. No, I'm not running.
I had to sign a few things.
Yeah.
They're gonna be sending back like 3 of my papers.
Why?
Because I was like very close to the grade boundaries in some of them, so they're gonna send them back see if I can get a few extra marks.
What did you get then? Is that what they recommended or?
Oh yeah, but they said it doesn't mean you failed. This means, I don't know. So, in science, I got a 6.5, so that's good. Same as in FISA. Geography, I got a 5. Got pointless. Design tech, I got a 5.
No, what is it?
English lit, I got a 6.
See.
English language, I got a 6.
MashaAllah.
But you got a 7 and something.
I got a 7 in maths and a P2. Oh my things.
What's a P2?
It's like a level 2 pass.
What is that in?
Acid.
What's P2 for? What letters?
Hospitality and catering.
Oh, mashallah. That's good. You want me to send it to...
Listen, you literally having a heart attack.
Oh, wow, mashallah.
You did better than your flipping marks.
Yes.
Now send a picture to Blessing.
I will.
Oh my
How
days.
do you
She's coming around every like Thursday.
How did you get 6 in English Lit and Language?
I don't know. Wait, that means I nearly got a 7 in both of
He
them.
did better than all of you.
No. Yeah, he didn't get. So what subjects was it that?
I'm going to Costco without my boys. This little shits won't walk with me and talk with me. You think they're better? Yeah.
Your head's stuck.
I like it like that.
Or go get Garnet's car keys.
It's on the by the microwave.
This boy is being rewarded by me, just me, with a PS5. I bid. Stop making me laugh. Enough it now. That wasn't really a vlog, was it? Huh?
474.
Oh, okay. £73.98 at exactly. Come on.
Wait, this is the old Nintendo.
And they're selling it for $287.
That's only
You want to buy me a shredder? I'm gonna get a GoPro, yeah? I'm gonna cycle so fast.
You know how to cycle.
Yeah, I do. A tricycle, yeah?
Only get 55-inch TV.
I'm gonna get a tricycle.
If you get a 4K TV, you should be fine.
Am I even saying that right?
Monitor.
Come on then. Guys, move along. She wants to say we're in Costco. Mum's in Costco. Just do it on your speaker, innit? Oh, honestly. Every store does. It's not just Costco. I want to get the electric one when they're home. Oh, God. What's in it? It's near the jams.
Oh, this is one of the controls.
What?
No, I don't. Under controller. Yeah,
They all come with a controller. They're not going to give you without a controller, are they? How silly are you, Muhammad? How silly are you, Muhammad? How silly are you, Muhammad? Come on, let's look down here. Let's have some fun in Costco. Someone want a light? Cheese on the side, isn't it?
Come on, look how much
I don't
cheese
eat
is on there.
cheese, yuck
Well, I
and
can't
teal.
eat this because the cheese is going to make me ill.
Well, oh my god.
She is. Actually,